putting that upstairs on the short side. Reed Duke across. Cale Clegg moves to the middle. Clegg working the blue line, now to the right point. A shot by Patrick, blocked in front by Hayek. Comes forward for Gingras, and he'll clear it down the ice. And now Gingras and Patrick engage. And they exchange shoves. Penalties coming. Nobody's dropped the mitts. Now Kustra wants after Tyler Coulter. Kustra wrestles Coulter to the ice. Linesman Riley Fitzsimmons will separate them. The other linesman trying to separate Patrick from Gingras. Harlech and Hayek were involved briefly, but the referee got in the way of that. Now Kustra, Gingras, who...
He's looking for anybody.
Well, he was like this in Brandon as well. He had just absolutely lost his mind that game and was in the throes of having that happen again based on some of the extracurricular stuff that will be done in the course of a game like this. You talk about the agitation. Being behind to a team that's got your number like this is agitating enough.